If you find yourself in a situation where someone has blocked you on iMessage, it can be challenging to communicate with that person. But in today's video, I will show you a few ways to text that person that has already blocked you from your iMessage. How to text someone who blocked you on iMessage. Solution 1. Use regular SMS text message. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, find out Message Apps. Scroll down, tap Send and Receive. If you are using only iCloud account to activate your iMessage, then I recommend try to activate your iMessage from your number. If there are both settings, select only number and uncheck the iCloud. Now turn off iMessage from here. If you do this, your iPhone will send a regular text message instead of iMessage. Now go back, scroll down, enable Send as text message. After that, open your Message app. Try to send the message to the person and see what happens. Solution 2. Use a different messaging platform. Try other messaging apps. Use apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or Snapchat to reach out to the person if you have them on those platforms. Find alternative contact methods. If you know any mutual friends or acquaintances, consider asking them to pass along a message. Solution 3. Contact via email or social media. Send an email. If you have the person's email address, send them a message explaining your situation. Reach out on social media. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter to send them a direct message. By using these methods, you may find alternative ways to reach out to someone who has blocked you on iMessage. Always remember to respect their boundaries and decisions regarding communication.